Hello, hello, hello. Um, yeah, welcome back. Today is another one. Yesterday, you guys would have seen a bit of, I don't call it desperation, but determination. I was streaming. I recorded on my phone. Just screen recorded on my phone, and I think that's actually a viable option going forward. Um, Especially with an upgrade coming up. If I get a bigger screen, like a foldable, then there's an option there. I have maybe a a tablet, no, a keyboard in the car, so I can actually type. But yeah, I think it's all about making it as easy as possible to get the stream done. Not to get the stream done, to get the work done. Because even if I record it and upload it after the fact, I'm still showing up every single day, which is the whole point of all of this. So yeah, let's jump into this again. I think I've already done this, but it may not have synced nicely. It doesn't seem to have synced nicely, so that's cool. Let's no harm in learning. So we have our range function. We can use to create a range of letters. Declare a char range function using constant. Our syntax should take a start and end. The function should implicitly return the result of calling range with start and end as arguments. Cool. Implicit return. Your range function expects numbers where you start. Convert the start and end values in your range to numbers based in the dot culture. That's method. Awesome. Okay, so this is what we did yesterday, and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working initially. It worked in the end, but yeah, cool. Cool. Range will return an array of numbers, which you need to convert back into characters. Excuse me. We're going to change the .map method, and we're going to call back. We're going to pass a callback function that takes code as a parameter and implicitly returns the value of passing code to the string .from carchild method. Okay. Excuse me. Cool. And a brief message from effectively the reason why we're able to do this video. So I can't call them sponsors technically, but FreeCodeCamp does allow for you to learn for free, which is what I've been doing thus far, and it's only fair that they ask you and repeatedly ask you, if you can afford it, to become a supporter. Now that your helper functions are complete, back in your onload event handler, you should declare a letters variable and assign it the result of calling char range with the letters A and J as arguments. Okay. So this, I believe, will be like the letters at the top, I'm guessing. Top of the spreadsheet, because it's what we're building. This, I believe, should be a string. That's what's A and J on their own. It should be a string. Letters. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, look, I was right. So this is a path. That's quite cool. Yeah. Okay, so the idea of chaining array methods, I think, will become very useful to us. So I've got range. We're starting with 1 and ending with 99. I'm going to, for each, number, we're going to do something specific. I'll get to decide. See, again, I'm sort of wondering or thinking to myself, oh, they're giving me all these instructions and I can sort of see it coming together, but how do I do it myself? And actually, we've got precedent for that now, because in the past two, sorry, 1 second. So I was literally feeling myself flag there, so I have to get some sugar, which was kicking me. Anyway, yeah, in the past two certification projects, we've demonstrated that once you know what you want to do, and you start planning that sort of pseudocode stage, almost gives you an idea as to what you need to build, what you need to do first, what needs to come after what, and how you can sort of link everything together. That's effectively what I guess has been done here. They've done all of that work beforehand, and I'm just breaking it down into steps, which is cool. In callback, you will need to make 2 function calls. Call and create label and pass number as argument, you should see numbers. Then call for each method on your letters array. Pass an empty callback which takes letter parameter. Okay. Good. Whew. Now, in the for each, declare an input variable and use the create element method of the document object to create an input element. Set the type to text and ID each attributes to letter plus number. Cool. So we've used a create element before, which is that one. So what I'm not sure of is how to define those sort of attributes like the type and the ID when you're using the create element. So I'm going to go ahead and say I love you. I'm going to use input as the handler for this. going to look for set attribute JavaScript. Yeah. Now I'm going to set I'm tired. Can you tell that I'm flagging? Yo, come on. Attribute to ID. For ID, we're going to use backticks. We're going to say sign. If I say that one number. I'm going to call it there because I can tell I'm flagging and I'm not going to get much done. 16. Cool.